guys, welcome back to my channel. I literally just got home from a workout. I did technically fasted cardio, which is a little bit crazy because I don't usually do fasted cardio, but it just so happened that I woke up a little bit late this morning. I have partnered up with Smart for Life to show you guys how I stay healthy and what I eat to stay lean as well as on the go, and I am super duper excited. Because I just did a workout, you're going to get some protein in like yesterday for breakfast, so I'm going to be having one of their protein bars. I actually buy their protein bars myself at Costco, but they sent me this awesome variety pack, and I'm going to choose one of these for breakfast right now. They have the caramel almonds, which I do like. You have the chocolate peanut butter, which of course, you guys know I'm obsessed with. I may have one of those later. But right now, this morning, I am just gonna go ahead and have the plain chocolate. These are absolutely great because they are low carb, the calories are just right, and also they are low sugar, which means it's the perfect snack, or it's perfect on the go, or it's a post-workout snack, or even just as a meal replacement. So today I'm kind of having mine as a meal replacement slash post-workout snack because I want to get my protein in. So this is what they look like. They're chocolate covered, and I am a chocolate fiend. Chocolate is like my favorite thing. So I hadn't yet tried the Choco Crisp flavor, and I think this may be my new favorite. I like this one a lot. It's just like a chocolate crunch basically, and it tastes like a candy bar, but it's also really filling because of the good ingredients in there, and it does have a lot of nutrition. Because it's high fiber and high protein, this is actually going to keep me sustained until lunch, which I love. Okay guys, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I have just been doing some editing on the computer, and I've also been watching the Fire documentary. I watched the Fire one that was on Netflix, and now I'm watching the Fire one that is on Hulu because I'm obsessed. Mind-blowing, love it. Everyone should watch it if you haven't already, but I'm assuming everyone has because I feel like I'm the last to know, but obsessed with those documentaries. But it's time to make myself a little bit of lunch. I'm hungry. So I have found this substitute. I actually found this through my keto friends who do keto. I would never do the keto diet for myself, but pasta is my favorite food, and I've been searching for the best low carb pasta, and they use this new pasta, which is not only low carb, it's low calories, only 25 calories in the whole packet, and 6 grams of carbs, plus there's low fat, 1 gram of fat, and no sodium and no sugar. So you can't really get much better than that. It says here that it's made of konjac. I had to Google that, not gonna lie. It's a plant. So what I'm going to do is cook it how it says. It basically says drain the liquid, rinse with water, add sauce, heat, and serve. I'm actually gonna add a few other things other than sauce. I'm gonna add some salami and some chives just to make it a little exciting. Dump some Alfredo on there, and we will see how it tastes. So literally all I'm doing to make this a little more exciting is taking some hot Genoa salami, a couple of slices, and breaking that up in the frying pan, and then cutting some chives up and letting that fry. Then I just threw on top the pasta that I had already rinsed and drained, and then threw on some Alfredo sauce, a little bit of pesto, and some seasoning, and heated it up and gave it a stir until it was heated through like the package said before serving.
Most next to me. When we're apart, I'm longing for your face.
Alright, so we have this big bowl of pasta, all for under 100 calories. I am praying that this tastes good because all my pasta dreams are gonna be made.
I need you here, I'm feeling out of place. My heart is yours, I'm giving it to you. No matter what, I always will be true.
So it's a couple of hours later right now, and I am just on my way to get Justin from work. It is so cold outside, you guys. It's like -20, and it's actually snack time. I'm super hungry, so I actually just picked up the chocolate peanut butter protein bar to take with me, and I will eat that on the way because your girl can't miss snack time because, as you guys know, snack time is life. Again, this one is my favorite, so if you guys would like a discount code on this, I do have 15% off. So they all pretty much look the same. They have the crispy texture inside. Honestly, it's perfect. I'm so glad I have things like this just to grab and go because it's the perfect on-the-go snack, which actually still meets my macros and still helps me to reach my goals because you guys know I can't be messing up right now because I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight.
That's for McNuggets.
Oh,
McChicken sauce.
can I get McChicken sauce and barbecue sauce? Oh, she hates me. She's using that death hope she gave. For my supper is actually mostly already made. I'm having slum leftovers. So in here, this was something I made in the slow cooker. It's basically just veggies and potatoes. And then I'm going to be cooking up later. I'm just defrosting some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm going to be seasoning these once they defrost, letting them marinate for a little bit, and then broiling them in the oven. Super simple. So once those chicken breasts have thawed, all I did was put them into my bowl right here. I added a little bit of olive oil and some seasonings. I did garlic seasoning, spicy garlic, black pepper. I know I did some basil as well as some crushed red pepper flakes. And then once you've added your seasonings to taste, it should look a little something like this. I like to do a lot of seasonings because I like flavorsome chicken. Then I just take some low-fat mayonnaise, I add that in, and also a dollop of pesto as well, because this is going to give it a really good flavor and coating to the chicken. And I will mix everything together like I'm doing here. So you want to make sure everything is nicely coated on both sides. And then if I have the time, I will leave this in the fridge for an hour or so to marinate. When you're ready to cook, all you have to do is put some foil down on a baking tray, take your chicken breasts from the freezer and place them flat down. And then what I also do is make sure I rub any of the seasoning that's dropped off right on the top. I will baste and leave half below, and then I will broil those in the oven, flipping them over when the one side is cooked.
For one, I'd only naked in your arms. I'll do my part if you do yours.
Hey guys, it is currently the next day. Actually, it's the afternoon. I'm actually just sitting here having another one of those Smart for Life protein bars. I'm having the caramel almond one right now, and I was sitting down editing this video and I realized I did not film a proper outro after dinner last night. So those were all the meals and snacks that I pretty much ate throughout the day. I did actually have an apple later on in the evening, but I just forgot to film that. But I wanted to jump on here real quick and give you guys an outro and just let you know that that is basically how I'm trying to eat right now in order to stay lean and lose a little bit of weight. If you guys would like to try the Smart for Life protein bars that I showed in this video, which are delicious and a great tool helping me on the go, make sure you guys check out the description bar below, because I will leave a direct link as well as my coupon code Amy15, which will save you 15% off anything on the website. And alternatively, if you guys aren't online shoppers, you can definitely shop these in store as well, like I usually do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at what I was eating in a day. It's actually kind of fun for me to do these, like actually what I eat in a day, taking you guys with me. So let me know what you guys thought of that, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.